Hello, so welcome to this video where I am showing you how to share devices between two computers, like whatever USB devices you are having, that to share. So with this project, initially I thought of using a microcontroller where it will be switching on the relays. If you see, I have designed a schematic for which I am having a female USB over here and male USB over here, so that whatever USB devices are here can be shared between the two systems. But possibly I didn't go with the microcontroller as of now, so this was a connection, this was a schematic which I followed. Nothing is there, only whatever the common terminals are coming, whether it is VCC, D plus, D minus, ground, those are going to the common terminal of four relays. Then with respect to the other side, the computer 1 and computer 2, where we are going to connect ground, VCC, D plus, D minus, those are going to the NC. The first USB is going to the all the NCs, normally close connection, and then the second USB pins are going to normally open, which is further described in this video with a relay module which I am using. So with this in account, I've thought of using the microcontroller so that I can use it wirelessly. The 8 megahertz IC I decided to use, so for which I created a code also. This was the code to drive it, so it was working fine, the simulation was working fine, everything was fine. But since the real USB I can't use it here, so the simulation was only showing the relay working. So later on, I implemented a PC also, but I didn't find a PCB bare board there, so that I can put on all the components and all the USB devices and everything. But since I don't have it, I went with an option. The relay module I had a relay module of four relays. I, I didn't find that PCB, so I was just utilizing this relay module to cover my USB share between the two PCs. So as you can see, I had two cables for this USB extension. Okay, on this USB extension I had two female plugs, obviously one with female to male extension. So with that I have made a certain connection with the relays. So this relay module is operating at 5 volts, 10 amps. 10 amps is input, so it can be used for AC also, but as of now I am using for connection between my for my USB switch. Okay, I think my battery went down. No issues. Okay. With that, what I have made is, since I have a USB hub 3.0, but since you can see I'm using this extension as 2.0, no issues. It won't be any lag. Only the speed issues may occur. So with this, I'm using USB 2.0 extension. So this will go to my USB hub, where I have connected my keyboard, mouse, and headphone, which I need to share between two of my PC. That is my the office laptop and with my gaming desktop, so that I can easily switch whenever I need. Whether I need a gaming PC or I want to do my personal work. And in the meantime, if I have an emergency, want to use my office laptop, I will directly switch through this relays, and the direct connection will go to my office laptop. So whatever devices will be connected to my hub, those will be connected to those will get connected to PC, and same to that, if I switch it back, I will get those connection, those keyboard, mouse, and headphone directly to my personal computer. Okay, with that in my mind, so I have attached two extensions, male to USB male to female extension with my PC as well as with my laptop. So the male connection is going to my desktop connection, and now the female will come to this one, and another from my office laptop, I will be connecting this. So the basic connection which I have done here is uh, whatever the common terminal was there. So since color codes are same for my data cable, since both the cables are of same retailer, same manufacturer, so the color code was same and the exact same cable I have used. So with that, when I cut it into two halves, so I got the same color code. So these cables are connecting same pattern. Reds are connected to red, whites are connected to white, greens are connected to green, and blacks are connected to blacks. The only thing is that with my female USB, okay, this needs to be the hub or the or the device which you want to share between the computer needs to be connected on the each individual middle pins. That is the common pin of the relays. The middle pin here is a common for all the relays. So the red wire I'm connecting for the female USB which a female USB extension which is going to connect to my hub where my keyboard, mouse and headphone is connected. That the positive wire, that is the plus 5 volt, I have connected to the middle of this relay. Then at the same time the data plus and data minus I have connected to the mid relays with the common terminal of the relays. And at last you may not see it's a black color wire, that is a ground wire. So that ground wire is connected to mid of this. Now for this female connection is done, that means we can share our hub now. Now the other two connections are left. These other two connections will go to one system each. So considering that, what I have done is I have connected all the right terminals to one PC. That means all red, white, green and black, the same color code should go in respective relays. So NCs are connected with my one PC USB and NOs are connected to the other end. So one is going on third pin of each relay. If you see, if we see closely, this relay red wire is going to the third pin, white wire is going to the third pin of that relay, then the green wire is going to the third pin of this third relay, then the black wire is going to the fourth relay. Similarly, I have connected the other USB which is going to any of the PCs. So this is connected on the extreme left of each relay pins. So the first pin is having this. Okay, if I just scatter it around, if you see the wire is on the bottom, so you may not see it clearly, but all the left then that means my NO pins, so which are normally open, those are connected to this USB. Similarly, the red code will go to red, the white code will be going to white. Just make sure the color codes are correct. Similarly, you connect for green and black also. Next thing, I need an adapter to drive it. These relays are 5 volt relays, so to drive it I need a 5 volt supply over here. So these are the connections for each relay. Now since I need all the connections to switch together, so I will short these input pins. If you can see, okay, so if you can see, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 are there, so I need to short these pins together so that all the relays will switch together. Okay, now okay, let me zoom a bit. Okay, then the next thing we left my ground and VCC pin. So this ground and VCC, since it's a 5 volt relay module, I need to supply a 5 volt supply to it. Okay, so that's it from my from the relay board perspective. Let's check this. To operate this, either I need a switch for testing as of now. Later on I need to modify it to so that I can get display. I will use my LCD display. Maybe I will break my previous board which I have created for development, but due to the traces have been broke down. Though I have tried to connect with the wires, but I think many more traces are broke down. So I'll just use this LCD. I'll just desolder it and use this LCD to just show things like the pixel LED which I have already attached to my
a table. So the same thing I will do now. I will attach this also, and all the displays to switch or switch on, switch off, whatever will be there, I will be displaying on this, and this will go to my table. And what I was thinking is with switching of this USBs also, I need to switch my 3.5 mm jack. Possibly I will be using my speaker also to switching between the PCs. I will definitely use 3.5 mm jack switch the similar way I have used this. I will definitely use relays to switch 3.5 mm jack also. So let's continue with my testing. I'll show you once the complete wiring and other switching and everything has been done. So I'll just check on this, and I'll update the video. So I'm here with my USB sharing device with which I'm going to share between the between two PCs. So my USB ports or USB hub will be connected to this device which I am having right now. This is the relay module of operating at 5 volts. So with this I will be shorting out this N1, N2, N3, N4, if you can see. So these will be shorted out so that all these relays will be connected simultaneously. Sorry, with in the same time these will be connected. So with that I will be having either one PC will be using like this. It will be using this will be going to one system. The male will be going to one system, and the female will be in my USB hub where I have connected my keyboard, mouse, and headphone. So another one is my another USB mail which is going to another computer. So while I will be having a contact with the one system, there will be a totally no communication between two systems. So there won't be any voltage share between two systems. There won't be any damages to any of the systems. So once I switch on these relays, so at normally if you know the functioning of relays will be having 3 pins like normally open, normally close, and the common terminal. The common terminal shares the main focus where we where the device or the device or what power you want to convey to the normal open and normal close pins. So with that in the common terminal I have attached my USB female extension which will be going to my hub. So as I already told that hub is containing my keyboard, mouse, and headphones. So this is the part where I will be attaching hub. So I will keep it aside now. Two will be left. I have two more wires, two cables. If you can see, these are the male connectors. These male connectors will go directly to my system USBs, so USB ports. So with the connections, since I have broken down this cable into two, I had two USB extensions with male and male to female extensions, which is broken down into two. So I have taken only one female part and two male parts. So since I will be having a hub there, and hub will be having USB hub. If I can show you, this is my USB hub which I am using right now. There are already one webcam, one webcam one webcam, headphone, as well as mouse and keyboard is connected. Now this is being shared between my laptop, which is kept here. I have attached a vent here so that it won't heat, but totally, if you can see my desk, you won't be seeing anything, not even in the PC. My PC is kept on the side, and I'm using total less wires so that I can hide all my wires so far. So these wires are coming from inside. My battery is low, so I can put and these wires are coming from inside, so I won't see any wires anymore. And this laptop shares both the monitors. I can switch between both the monitors. Both monitors I can use in my laptop. My laptop is having CTAP connector, so then in that CTAP connector I have connected one display, and another I have connected into HDMI port. With this I will come back to on that also, how to extend your displays in case you haven't tried once and you are limited to only extend one display. So with this hub I need to share this hub between two. So daily what I have to do is to open my panel. This panel actually closes now.
to switch between the desktop and the laptop, I need to disconnect this and connect it to this hub which is coming from my desktop. So that was getting too much troublesome for me. So with that, I came with the conclusion that I can switch the devices between two computers using a relay module. So with this relay module, nothing I have to do is I need to just connect all my USB males and females to this, depending on what connections you are making and how many devices you want to switch. You need that number of relays. So with my USB female, which is going to connect to my USB hub, I have connected all the common terminals in between. See the color codes, all the color codes are the same. These three terminals are of first relay, then these three are from the second, these three are from the third, and similar to the fourth, these three are coming. So I have taken this relay as negative terminal, this as the data minus, this data plus, and now this one is the VCC, that means the 5 volts 5 volts connector for these USB. So with this I have taken common the middle one is called the common terminal for the relays. These common terminals I have used so that I can switch between NO and NC. That means I need to share this, so this has to be in the common, which is sharing both NO and NC of the terminal. So the USB female is going to the common terminal of all the relays. Next thing, from the either side, one computer will go on the right terminals, all the right terminals of the relays. That means the third pin I have connected to third pin of each relays. Make sure of this color coding. The color coding is red, white, green, black. The same, since it is from the same USB. You have to not to worry about, because you have to plug in the same color codes. With the another USB that is going that will be going to another computer, I have kept it on the extreme left of all the relays, so that will be on the NO parts. Now these, at turn off condition, the relays will be on the NC side. Okay, so definitely one of my USB will be always connected to one of the system. Okay, until and unless I switch on these relays, it won't switch to another device. So for that I need to power this relay. In case the module is not powered on, only one system will be able to use, and that too will be the one which is connected to the NC part of all the relays. So with that, let's check on only the NC part, and later on we'll get on to the NO also. So with one handed on the camera and one hand on the cable, I just disconnected. So if you can see, the power has been off from the hub. So I'll just connect this. Okay, correct connection. Okay, now with this, as I told you, this will be going to the USB hub, since it's a female, which I'm going to share between two PCs. Now this one and this one cable is going to one of this cable. This is coming from my laptop, and this is coming from the desktop, which I have already shown here. Okay, that I'm connecting this. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, let me check. Okay. In this way I will connect. Let's see if it is the NC part. Definitely it will glow up. Okay, that wasn't NC, so I hope this should glow, because my laptop and my desktop both are working. So let's connect it. Okay, just get inside now. Nope. No. Okay, a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, definitely it went on. Okay, let's check with that. Okay, so this side is my office, this side is my home personal. This I'm going to switch. So as of now,
I can't switch as what I can see is my laptop and keyboard has been connected to this. Okay, this system, so probably I won't be able to switch here right now because my relays are not connected. So to switch between both the computers, I need these connections to be done. So I don't have a 5 volt adapter right now. So what I was thinking is, so why not to use ESP8266 so that I can control it wirelessly. I don't have to drive a wire from here, and I can control within the system also, since ESP826, the module which I have here right now, can support serial communication also. So with this which I thought I will be using my LCD display also. So if you can see here, connectivity Wi-Fi with a serial port also with the 9600 baud rate. So definitely I will be able to drive my relays with this. So let's see. Okay, number of pins are also fine. I think I can use my LCD also with the 4-bit data sending. Okay, I think I can use, definitely I will be using my LCD also to show what actually operations are going on inside my table. And what I'm thinking is, I need this table to be performed wirelessly with anything I want to change, whether I need to change color of my table, whether I want to share these USB between the computers, I will definitely use this. So it's small, but it's too powerful. It can control multiple things, which I can see it has TX RX also. Okay, I think analog also, so probably I will be able to control these pixel LEDs also. As of now, these pixels are connected to my system motherboard. The motherboard itself contains pixel addressable LEDs controller inside, which I will show you how it is controlling. So definitely I will be using this. With that, I think I once I will do this, once I attach this to my relay module, definitely I will show you how it's working. Okay, for testing purpose I will see some possible option. So what I think is, I will use one of these pins as input, and next thing I will do is I will drive all the relays, because to drive all the relays at once I will be using only D0, and any of the pins D0 already used, so I will be using D1 to D7, any of the pins as an input, and that input pin will definitely drive my relays. So let's catch up in next video once the program and everything has been done. Okay, the pins are also working. Let's see whether it is working or not. Anyways, I have more ESP826 models, just need to check. Okay, let's see if I find it. Anyways, we'll catch you on next video with working of this as well as working of those relays, switching between both the systems. Okay, let's catch you guys. Bye.